6 fun facts about ants. Animals' organization and dedication in ant communities. Embark on a fascinating exploration in unveiling organization and dedication in ant communities. Witness the intricate world of these industrious insects, their sophisticated social structures, collaborative work ethic, and the pivotal roles they play in maintaining ecological balance. Number 1. Sophisticated social structures. Ants exhibit sophisticated social structures, living in colonies with specialized castes, queens, workers, and soldiers, each contributing to the overall functionality and success of the community. Number 2. Collaborative work ethic. Marvel at their collaborative work ethic as ants engage in tasks like foraging, nest construction, and caring for the young. Witness the seamless cooperation and dedication that drive the efficiency of their communal efforts. Number 3. Chemical communication. Explore their unique form of communication, utilizing pheromones to convey information about food sources, danger, and the location of nest entrances, showcasing a highly evolved chemical language within the colony. Number 4. Role Specialization. Ant colonies demonstrate role specialization, with each member having a specific function. Queens are responsible for reproduction, workers handle various tasks, and soldiers defend the colony, highlighting the efficiency of their division of labor. Number 5. Ecosystem engineers. Ants play crucial roles as ecosystem engineers, influencing soil structure, seed dispersal, and nutrient cycling. Their presence contributes significantly to the health and stability of terrestrial ecosystems. Number 6. Conservation importance. Confront the conservation challenges faced by ants due to habitat destruction and pesticide use, emphasizing their significance in maintaining biodiversity and ecological integrity. Discover how preserving ant communities contributes to the overall health of our planet.